The Industrial Estate Authority of Thailand, or IEAT, is now moving forward on the Industrial Estate Development Strategy to support national investment opportunity. Especially the Maptaput Industrial Port Phase 3, which is one crucial project in the Eastern Economic Corridor (EEC) development plan covering 3 provinces, Chachoengsao, Chonburi, and Rayong, including adjacent provinces. This project objective is to develop the existing infrastructure to encourage the logistics of natural gas and petrochemical liquid products. In the second of 2017 conference on July 6, 2017, the Eastern Economic Corridor Policy Committee assigned IEAT to consider public-private partnership (PPP) business case, especially Build Transfer Operate (BTO), and approve the Maptaput Industrial Port Phase 3 to be a part of the EEC project list in accordance with the PPP Regulations and Procedures 2017. Maptaput Industrial Port Phase 1 and 2 had been completed since 1992 and 1999 respectively. There are 12 berth operators, consist of 9 dedicated terminal operators and 3 public terminal operators. At present, the existing seaports are working at maximum capacity. Therefore, the expansion plan for higher capacity is necessary. Maptaput Industrial Port Phase 3 occupies an area of 1,000 rai, 396 acres or 160 hectares, which comprises 450 rai, 178 acres or 72 hectares of hinterland for silt pond, and 550 rai, 217 acres or 88 hectares of foreland for industrial development area and total quay length of 2,229 meters. It has 5,410 meter length of revetment and 1,627 meter length of breakwater. The 550 rai of land reclamation is divided into 3 parts. 1. Liquid Materials Terminal occupying an area of 200 rai with 814 meters length. 2. Liquefied Natural Gas Terminal occupying an area of 200 rai with 1,415 meters length. And 3. Other related commercial development occupying an area of 150 rai. The land reclamation will be facilitated the construction of raw liquid materials and liquefied natural gas terminal, which are expected to have volume around 15 million tons per year in the next 30 years. Maptaput Industrial Port Phase 3 will enhance financial increasing and economic growth. Moreover, it will contribute other benefits. For example, increasing the potential of petrochemical industry in the EEC and stimulating the economic growth. Emphasizing the energy sustainable, which is a major economic developing factor. Contributing the competitive advantage in regional and international levels. And encouraging urban development, employments, and other related business activities. The IEAT has confidence in the private sector's potential and readiness for the developing of the Maptaput Industrial Port Phase 3, which is expected to be opened in 2025. The IEAT would like to invite private sector with knowledge and expertise in infrastructure and port management and technology to engage in the project. Should you be interested in taking part of the Maptaput Port Phase 3, a great opportunity is coming your way.